Hello everyone, in this video I will show you how to fix slow charging issue on Samsung Galaxy S24 Ultra. So before starting the video, don't forget to subscribe the channel and also press the bell icon. So first of all, open settings. Now in settings, scroll down and here click on device care. Now in device care, click on battery and then scroll down and click on charging settings. Now in charging settings, here you will see a fast charging button. So to fix the slow charging issue, turn on this button. So that's how you can fix the slow charging issue on Samsung Galaxy S24 Ultra. So I hope you liked the video. Thanks for watching.